Hello everyone, I am Professor Vasundhara Uchila, Assistant Professor from Sarojini College of Engineering and Technology from Surat, Gujarat. So I have taken up this Tableau challenge from Smart Interns, and the domain I have selected is insurance, and from insurance I am selecting the data from the years 2013 to 2015 for Aam Aadmi Bima Yojana. So I have analyzed the data for Aam Aadmi Bima Yojana for the years 2013 to 2015, which consists of the data from different states across India. So this data from the government site, it was available only year wise. So I have collected for 3 years individually, and then I have combined it together to make one CSV file. So this is the CSV file, my insurance dataset.csv. In that I'm having the data state-wise. It consists of variety of fields such as new lives covered, claims paid, the number and the amount, scholarship disbursement number and amount, and the quarter ending date. So the analysis has been done mostly year-wise. So the year has been extracted from this quarter ending date. So let us see the sheets that I have created. The first one is top 10 states for scholarship disbursement number versus amount. So both the details about the number and the amount regarding scholarship has been shown state wise for only top 10 states in India. So if you see over here, the leading bar is of Andhra Pradesh. That is the amount that is given, that is more than 500 million. And afterwards, you can see that it is Andhra Pradesh, then afterwards Maharashtra is there, and then Tamil Nadu, and then rest of the states. So only top 10 states have been shown. So for that I have created a set, and then I have created the filter such as I want only top 10 states according to the sum of disbursement amount. So various filters are applied over here. So we can change the filters and we can see the data reflected accordingly. So if I remove this and I select only Andhra Pradesh, or if I select only this many states, for example Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Karnataka, so I will be getting according to the selection of the filter. Next we are having top 10 states for new lives covered, state wise and year wise. So there are 3 years, and for each year stacked bar is used, stacked bar chart. In this blue color donates, this is for 2013, this orange is for 2014, and this red is for 2015. So you can see that when you take the summation of all the years, again Andhra Pradesh is leading the way with Maharashtra followed by Madhya Pradesh. Whereas if you see the year-wise data, if I see the year-wise data, you can see that for 2015, the Kerala is leading the way, whereas in 2014 again Andhra Pradesh leads, even 2015-13 also Andhra Pradesh is leading the way. Next you are having claims paid, the number and the amount year-wise. So 2013 we got more number of claim paid, and the amount is also very high compared to the rest of the years 2014 and 2015. Next we are having the same data claims, but top 10 states for that. Again the top 10 in that leading is Andhra Pradesh for every year, and the rest of the states are somewhere across the same line, and they are similar in amount. So but Andhra Pradesh is definitely leading the way in all the insurance policy details. So these are the top 10 states. Now we are having scholarship disbursement number year wise. So the number of scholarship disbursed year wise, so this is for 2013, this is for 2014 and 2015. And if you see for 2014, Andhra Pradesh is leading, then followed by different states across the line, and for 2013 also Andhra Pradesh leads, but whereas for 2015 Gujarat is leading the way for scholarship disbursement numbers. And you can also change this filter and then check it only for one particular year. So for 2013 you can see that it is Andhra Pradesh. So if you want 2015 it is Gujarat, etc. next one is an India map showing state-wise distribution of all the measure values, that is scholarship amount, new lives covered and the claim paid amount. And after taking the summation across the scholarship disbursement amount, we can see that green color means the highest amount of scholarship. So Andhra Pradesh is having the only state having highest amount is Andhra Pradesh, so it is in green color. Rest of the shades of the color show different values of the scholarship disbursement amount. And we can also put different color on this claim paid amount. So you can also change it according to your choice. So if you want it according to claim paid amount, again you can see that the darker color is of Andhra Pradesh, so it is leading the way. So that is just for demonstration, followed by the dashboard that I have prepared, including all this. So this is the dashboard that is prepared. So different states filter can be selected, and we are having the summary sheet over here. Suppose if I want to select only for a particular state, then I can select the filter, and suppose I select only Gujarat, then for Gujarat the details will be given. And if for Gujarat, if I want to select only for a particular year, then also I'll be able to see the details accordingly. What is the disbursement amount, what is the new lives covered in this particular year. You can use the filters extensively to find the value specific to your interest. So now after creating this, I have uploaded this in Tableau Public already by clicking on this save to Tableau Public. Already I have signed in. So this is my dashboard story. So this is the insurance storyboard state-wise in India for Aam Aadmi Bima Yojana for the years 2013 to 15. So this is my account, and so this is, I am the author over here. So the story first shows that it is an India map showing state-wise disbursement amounts, claim paid, and new lives covered for the year. And followed by, if you see the second sheet, Andhra Pradesh disbursed highest scholarship amount, followed by Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu. So we are showing here only top 10 states. This is Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu. Then you are having next summary. Andhra Pradesh covered highest new lives, followed by Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh for this year 2014. So for this, Andhra Pradesh is leading the way, and but highest is in the year 2014 covered highest new lives. So if you take 2014, the number of lives that are covered are more compared to the other years. Then highest claim amount was in 2013, followed by 14 and 15. Year-wise also, Andhra Pradesh had highest claim amount. Shown here are top 10 states. So year-wise, if you see 2013 year, we still having Andhra Pradesh over here. 14 also Andhra Pradesh, 15 also Andhra Pradesh. Then we are having quarter ending date 2014 is the highest disbursed amount and numbers, with Andhra Pradesh leading all the states. So the year-wise, if you take 2014 is highest for highest disbursement amount, not for the claims, it is for disbursement amount. So here this 2014 is the highest year, with Andhra Pradesh again leading the way. And this is the last insurance dashboard. So if you want to apply filters over here, if I want to select only a particular year, I can really select the year and then check the approximate details that are shown over here. So for the year 2015, so you can see here for the year 2015, the green color is the highest scholarship disbursement amount. You can see map now has comparatively changed for the 2015 year to showing Gujarat and Rajasthan. So this is 2015 year. Similarly, accordingly the details are changed. So this is about my project. Thank you so much for listening.